If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gon' shoot you. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe.
Hey man, it's Silly B. I'm back with another video. My nigga Keys. You feel me? You feel him? Yeah, you feel him? Alright, we finna be reacting to Big Boat. Yeah, he got a little boat in his hands, but
you crazy. Hey, look,
he got a little boat.
You already know who it is, man. Kyrie, you feel me? LOE shit, man. Gang shit. You finna react to this nigga DDG shit, his new shit. You feel me?
Go subscribe, like, and subscribe to my other channel.
Go subscribe.
You know, LOE Nation is gonna be in the description.
Yeah. And the link to the original video gonna be in the description too.
Nah, fuck that nigga DDG. It's our shit. Man. It's
hey,
our video.
The link to the song gonna be in the description.
This our video, nigga. Alright, we finna get right into the video. And fuck. No, I'm just kidding. We finna do this shit. Ready? Go.
We gotta do this press the space bar.
Oh. DDG, that's always. It's DDG. I don't know no SKT.
Me either.
Book a plan, you know you a fan to me.
No, I'm not.
I'm waiting for water on his necklace.
You don't know me, alright, nigga, we gon' see.
Are we?
Ooh, we got them buff stains on, you feel me?
Fuck yeah. I ain't broke, bitch, I'm bustin'.
Me too.
This me back and I'ma beat your button.
And he got the Goyard bag, you know that nigga's stunning.
Somebody tell India that I'm fucking. Do a vid, then I collect my pay.
Hey.
About your album, I have nothing to say. Take a nigga fast, take a nigga base. You don't know me, you gon' know me today.
That boy did the 4 different camera views. I'm dead.
This shit dope.
True, that's true. Twitter.
You hella ugly and your hair built like a mop. Your hair built like some dirty ass Cheetos. India said you annoying like mosquitoes. Bitch, I'm popping middle finger to your ego. Tip for album, but you know it should be Frito.
Hey, his album was
I don't know SKT.
Book a plan, you know you a fan to me.
Iced out
and my neck looks like P.
That's the best part.
Alright, nigga, we gon' see. I ain't lame, I ain't broke, bitch, I'm bustin'. This me back and I'ma beat your button. DJ Academics gon' report something. Somebody tell India that I'm fucking. Do a vid, then I collect my pay. About your album, I have nothing to say. Take a nigga fast, take
He said that shit was ass.
You don't know me, you gon' know me today.
That nigga said that shit was ass.
Hey, he flexing on y'all niggas. That nigga's shirt ugly as fuck.
That shirt cold, you
That
see.
shit ugly
That
as
shirt
fuck.
cold.
Fuck yeah.
Man, that nigga.
Nah, fuck you. Yeah.
Nigga got the rollie. Hit the rollie store with the rollie on.
That shit suck.
Big Boat. Here y'all go, man. That's the reaction to that Big Boat by DDG, you feel me? That shit banger, low key. I ain't even gonna fake with you.
That shit banger to you?
That shit is a banger. I ain't gonna fake, low key.
That shit weak to me.
That shit weak.
That shit weak to me. That nigga can scrap me if he wants to.
Hey man, that nigga said he can scrap with you.
He can scrap with me.
You feel me? But look, that shit.
He gonna scrap with you?
I'll whoop that nigga.
Alright.
But look, hey, look. Anyways, you feel me? Look, just a feel me quick reaction video to this shit.
Oh, this your shit now? You do the outro? You do the outro of my shit?
Alright, do the outro.
You do the outro of my shit?
Do the outro, man.
Since this is his video, y'all, I'm gonna let you do all that.
Man, hey, look, like and subscribe on the channel, bro. That's my nigga Bully channel, you feel me?
My nigga channel.
Look, so like and subscribe, nigga. Comment, all this shit. Get us up there, you feel me? Road to 1K subscribers, you feel me? We just gonna start something light, you feel me? Comment down below for more new videos, other videos that y'all want us to react to. Also, you feel me? The link to this video gonna be in the description below. Yeah, you feel me? Hey, we out this bitch. You already know who it is, man. Hey, LOE shit, man.